So I parked at the parking lot closest to the Anna Michener cabin, which is the cabin we'll be staying in tomorrow night. And hiking back to the Milesburn cabin. It's about 6 miles. Not a lot of elevation gains in Pennsylvania, and also not terribly rocky in the section of Pennsylvania. Good break-in backpacking trip. I haven't backpacked for a little bit, so it's nice to ease myself back into it. I'm meeting some friends at the cabin this weekend, and then tomorrow we're going to casually backpack over to the Anna Michener cabin. This little bridge, courtesy of the Potomac Appalachian Trail Club. Coming up on a shelter. This is the Birch Run shelter. And up the hill there's a privy. It's what the inside of a typical Appalachian Trail shelter looks like in Pennsylvania and Maryland. Nice little porch area. This contraption's a bear pole. They place these near the shelter so you don't have to store your food in the shelter. There is one animal that I really fear on the Appalachian Trail, and it's not a bear. It is actually a skunk. I am not going to shoo away a skunk. I'm in a good spot to find some fatwood. Okay, in luck. Okay, there it is, Milesburn cabin. I made it to the Milesburn cabin. Had a little snack, feeling a little hungry. Going to set my tent up, set my bed stuff up. Then I'm going to try to get a fire started inside the cabin. Give you a quick walk around the cabin from the exterior. This is a road over here that you can actually drive in on, which is where my friends will be meeting me this evening, are driving in. Little parking area there, little bridge over the stream, little front porch. We have a lot of firewood. Little porch area, main entrance here. Up the hill there is a privy. This is a little woodshed area. No wood here though, but there's plenty around front, so we're going to be fine. Fire pit on the outside here. Ate a little food, drank some water, set the tent. Sleep system's ready to go. I think it's time to start processing some firewood to get a fire started inside the cabin. The tent I'm using for this trip is a Z-Pax Altiplex. So a little bit larger one-person tent, a little finicky on uneven ground. My sleeping bag is a Western Mountaineering Versalite. Sleeping pad is a Thermarest X Therm. I have a little Cedar Summit pillow with a little pillow holder. This is the interior of the Anna Michener cabin. Table and bench, got a wood stove here, firewood stocked, both sides. little chair, actual cook stove. And then there's an upstairs as well. Steps are a little wonky in here. They alternate. According to the instructions, left foot first. Could easily sleep 3, maybe a 4th on the floor. Couple people here on this bed, maybe a 3rd on the floor here, and then this is very similar to the other room. All right, day 2 from Milesburn to Anna Michener. Okay, the Anna Michener cabin has a great room and 2 smaller bedrooms. This is one of the bedrooms. Exterior door to exit if need be. Wood style bunks. They do provide mattresses. This is the great room. 2 wood stoves out here. This is the second room, very similar to the other bedroom. Wooden platforms for bunks. Some are elevated. This is the outside of the Anna Michener cabin. We've been here for a little bit today. There are a lot of people in the cabin, so I don't like making a video of people in the cabin. So I thought I'd show you the outside. Back side of the cabin. Got a bench, fireplace, little grill. The morning of day 3, and we're headed back to our vehicles.